I want to film things. The camera function is really, really beautiful. Thanks. I'm going to have a look at the new OPPO Find X2 Pro. I'm really excited to open it. Yes, this looks really good. Excited to see there are 3 cameras on the back here. I think that's one of the features that I'm really, really excited about. I want to check out the camera straight away. This is going to be so useful for me. I'm really excited to try this phone out. As a choreographer and theatre director, I'm on the go all day. I can't really just focus on one person. I need to see the composition of the whole space. And I'm checking this feature out now to actually see that it has a super ultra wide shot. So I'm getting a really, really good view of the whole theatre. I love the wraparound screen, beautiful lines. I'm going to be able to use the whole screen service to see the picture as large as possible. And I realized the whole day I've been using this and I didn't need to charge it. So the battery life is really good. I'm very happy with this.